Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to log into Disney Plus on your TV and unlock a world of magical entertainment. If you're eager to enjoy your favorite Disney movies and TV shows on the big screen, you're in the right place. In this detailed tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting Disney Plus to your TV, ensuring you can enjoy endless hours of family-friendly content with ease. Let's dive into the enchanting world of Disney Plus on TV. First, regardless of your phone's brand and model, open any browser and go to the www.disneyplus.com address. Don't enter through the app, use the browser. It doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox. When you enter, you'll see a screen like this. Click on the login button and sign in with your membership information. After logging in, reopen the address bar. You can open it in a new tab if you prefer. Type www.disneyplus.com/begin in the address bar and proceed. Then open the Disney Plus application on your television. On the Begin page, enter the code found on your Disney screen on your smart TV. The session will automatically open on the TV. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily connect Disney Plus to your TV and start enjoying your favorite movies and shows. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Here's to magical moments with Disney Plus on TV.